Hey guys, so this is a computer that I built. Looks pretty nice, right? Well, anyone watching this on my channel will know that I tried to give one of these away recently. The drawing was last Sunday, and a winner was picked out of all of the people that commented on the video. A winner of a PC just like this one, 7700K RX 580, amazing gaming PC. The winner was picked. They were chosen randomly. There were very few rules. There were very few rules with this giveaway. And one of them was just subscribe, the other one was like, and the other one was comment. Very easy. The person who won commented, but didn't like or subscribe, and therefore was disqualified, and could not receive the computer. I don't get this. Is the third time. This will be the third time now. So, here's the plan. If 2,000 subs doesn't work, 500 subs didn't work the first time. There was a guy who tried to troll. So I'm gonna give away a computer just like this one, 7700K, RX 580, 32 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna give one. This is mine, but I'm gonna give one away like this, at 10,000 subs. That's right. That is a humongous number. But if you're watching this as an ad right now, come subscribe, comment on this video or any video on my channel, saying giveaway entry or literally anything else, and you'll get an entry into the giveaway for a PC just like this one. You're like, well, how are you gaining from this giveaway? Well, I get 10,000 subs. So I see it as a win-win. I give someone a computer, I have the extra parts, might as well make one for someone, and you know, I get subs. You get a computer, I get subs. I think that's fair. So at 10,000 subscribers, very easy, guys, don't worry. If you're watching this on my channel, this is actually also an ad. I'm putting this as an ad in front of people's channel. So at 10,000 subscribers, a winner will be picked, packed, and shipped this computer. The winner won't be packed, but the computer will be packed and shipped to the winner of it. And they will be very happy to receive it. It's very easy to set up. It will have Windows 10 already installed. All you gotta do is make an account, or if you already have an account, just sign in, and everything's great. This is a beautiful PC. This one's mine, though. It'll look exactly like this, except I'm putting it in a different case, because this case hates shipping. I'm putting it in an NZXT H500. So if we hit 700 subs, 10,000 subs, I'm going to give one away just like this again. So if anyone wondering, the person who won did not subscribe, so I get to give it away again. I'm going to do 10,000 subs because I've tried 2,000, tried 2,500, didn't work out the time. So we're just going straight to 10K. We could probably, if I play this ad, we can do this in a week. So in 1 week, let's try to get 10,000 subs. That's not a time limit, but at 10,000 subs, I'm giving away this computer. So be sure to click the link to my channel if you're watching this as an ad right now to have a chance to win this PC. And comment on this video. It should be my most recent if you're watching it as an ad, because this ad's only going to run a few days. And if you got this ad, you're lucky, because I don't have a lot. I'm not paying a lot for this ad. Therefore, it won't play for a lot of people. So if you're getting this ad, you're getting a special chance to win a free computer. All you have to do is comment, subscribe, and like. That's it. Yeah, you don't win? Oh, what'd you lose? 5 minutes of your time? So, come on over. Like, comment, subscribe. You must be subscribed, you must comment, and you must like to enter. If you don't do all three of those things, you will lose, just like the person who just lost. I'm not going to say the name because I don't want them to get harassed in any way, because that would be just rude, and I could also get in trouble for that. So, let's not do that. That was just stupid. I already told them, though. I was like, dude, you messed up. And they're like, no, please. I'm like, nope. Okay, so, computer for you guys. If you want it, come get it. If you don't, that's fine. Yeah, 10,000 subs. I'm going to give away again. Probably like, oh, well, you said 2,000 the first time. I did, and I also said that I would give it to the person, and the person decided not, that they didn't want it. They decided they didn't want it. So, 10,000 subs, computers just like this one. Subscribe, like, comment to enter. That's it. Click the link to my channel. Click the link to the description to my Twitch, where I'm giving away a bunch of RAM right now. That's about it. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.